Aquí tenemos a Isabel comiendo pan, pan francés, pan desabrido. Isabel, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. You know her?
Yeah?
Yeah, you know her?
Huh?
Right? You know her already?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You?
Yeah, I know it. So 3 years ago.
Oh, I know
Yeah.
her for maybe a year already.
1 year. That's good.
Yeah?
And you know he likes the bread, right?
Yeah?
He likes bread. Yeah, I bring her for corn.
Huh?
Corn.
Oh, corn.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean,
I bring her bread usually.
yeah, she eat a lot. You know how to call her?
No?
Huh? You know how to call her?
Yeah, like this.
No. What if she's far from here?
No.
You have to whistle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If you whistle, he can. She came. She
Oh,
come here. Yeah.
I didn't know.
But you can whistle, right?
No, my dad can whistle.
You cannot.
Yeah, I cannot. My
Why
dad
not?
can.
You have to learn for her.
Huh?
You have to learn. Yeah. Your dad.
Huh?
Your dad.
Yeah, he knows how to whistle.
Yeah, both know her. Yeah. Oh, I call her Isabel. I don't know how you call her.
Oh.
Mhm.
Yeah, she's nice.
She's nice. Yeah, it's the only one.
Yeah?
Before I have two.
Two?
Two. Now only her. The other one, she didn't come back from the
Oh,
immigration. No,
maybe die.
maybe. But she's not traveling.
Yeah?
She stay here for winter time.
I come in the winter once.
You
She
do?
ate a whole bread.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. She liked it. I know it.
Yeah.
She doesn't like apple and other thing, just bread maybe and corn.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Makes her full.
yeah. Ahora conmigo.
Hey.
Ya. Sí, ya. Ahí sí. Con que tienes más amigos, malvada. Me has cambiado, me has cambiado. Ujú. Malvada, vas a ver. Quiero ver tu abrigo, pues. Vas a ver que se fue tu rubio, vas a ver, condenada. Vas a ver, Isabel. Vas a ver, malvada.